How to share an editable document with every student on your Google Classroom. In our matrix, we have some documents that we have to make a copy of and share with our kids so they can write on them as well. So your first step is to go to the slideshow that Kim shared with you. If you haven't done so yet, I would add that to your drive just because then it'll be easy access for you. Then you'll go to your grade level, and for me, I'm going to work on 5th grade. So I'm clicking on the 5th grade link. It'll take me to that planning guide. And for my purposes, I'm going to go down to the weekly schedule because it's just easy to see when I need to schedule everything. So I'm working on the Wednesday one, which it's a response, a writing response. When I click on the Google Doc link, you don't just want to copy the link, you want to actually click on it and go there, because when you do, you're able to make a copy for yourself because that document is for everybody in the district. So now you want to make a copy, and your next step is to rename it so that it's not copy of. So I might rename it Jake's Cake Chemist Writing Response. So now I'm going to put it into a folder. You might want to start a distance learning folder in your Google Drive. So I've already started one. So I'm going to go down to the distance learning 2020 and I'm going to move it there. And so I move it and I have it in there. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom and I'll go to my classwork stream and I'm going to go to create assignment and I'll click on assignment. And the title I'm going to get from the parent-student matrix, The Week at a Glance, and it's the Cake Chemist Writing Response. And so I'm just going to copy this and paste it, and I'll get rid of complete the, and I'll put Cake Chemist Writing Response. And then down in the instructions, I'm just going to put complete the Cake Chemist Writing Response. If I need to add some more instructions, then that's up to you when you know your students. I'm going to go to add, and I'm going to go to my drive this time. And because I just put it in, it's right there. You might need to search your drive if you have a lot of things going on in there. So I click on that, I add it. Down here it says students can view the file. You don't want that. You want them to be able to type into the file. So you click on the arrow and then you make a copy for each student. If you wanted the whole class to get on there, you would do student can edit the file. However, I would say do the make a copy for each student. And then you're going to go over here and if you want to give it points, that's up to you. The due date, maybe the end of the week or Sunday or no due date. And then for the topic, I put those 3 topics in my Google Classroom. And this one was under problem solving and tasks according to the matrix. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click on the arrow. And I'm going to schedule this. And it's for the Wednesday of next week. So I'm going to hit the 22nd. And I'm going to put it at 5:30 a.m. because then it'll be available when the kids start. You are welcome to do it at any point you want. I just like to schedule it right in the morning. And then I just push schedule. And that is all there is to doing a editable document for every student in Google.